Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik, and in today's video we will again do the important questions of class 9th of chapter quadrilateral, triangle, angle and circles. Okay, so let's start. So this is our first question. In this we have to find angle ABC, BDC and angle BEC. So firstly we will find angle ABC. Angle ABC. As you can see this triangle, firstly we will write in triangle ABC. You can see AB equal to BC equal to CA. Therefore, angle ABC this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle CAB equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. How 60 degree? Because all these sides are equal, so this is an equilateral triangle. Now, this one 60 degree. Okay. Now we have to find angle BDC. BDC, you know the rule angle in same segment. Angle BDC equal to angle BAC. BAC equal to 60 degree. Why? The reason you will write angles in same segment. See over here, they are in same segment, no? Wait, they are in same segment over here. So they will also be same angle. Now, what we had to find? Oh, yes, we have to find angle BEC. Angle BEC. How? Firstly, we will write ABEC in quadrilateral A B E C. This was an quadrilateral. Angle A plus angle E equal to 180 degree. Angle A we know 60 degree. Angle 60 degree plus angle E equal to 180 degree. Angle E equal to 180 minus 60. Angle E equal to 120 degree. So in this we have found out all of the all of the angles. Now let's come to our next question. What it is asking, prove that x plus 3y, x equal to 3y. Okay, so this angle is x, this angle is y, this side equal to this side equal to this side. Okay, now how we will start? In triangle, what is this? OBC. OBC. Angle C equal to angle O equal to y. How y? Here you will write same side. Equal sides have equal angle opposite to them. Okay. Now we will write over here y. Angle ABO. Angle, yes, AOB. AOB. In triangle AOB, in triangle AOB, angle ABO equal to y plus y. How y plus y? Angle ABO equal to 2y. Why? Here we will write what? Exterior angle. Exterior angle. Now, angle BAO equal to angle ABO equal to 2y. How? We know that equal side have equal angle opposite to them. So again we will write equal sides. Okay. I have just written like this. In exam you have to write all the thing. Equal sides have equal angle opposite to them. Okay. Now again over here we will write 2y, and this will also be 2y. Now in triangle AOC, in triangle AOC, this is triangle AOC. So angle A plus angle C equal to x. How? Exterior angle. Exterior angle. Okay. Now angle A and angle C are equal. No, angle A and angle C we know. This is angle A 2y, angle C equal to y equal to x. So x equal to 3y. Hence proved. Okay. Now let's come to our last question. This is very confusing. So firstly I'll decrease the width so that I can write well. Now I'll choose color. Yes, no, not color black, this brown. Okay, so now see, this is z, this is y, and what will this be? This will be z divided by 2, z upon 2, and this will also be z by 2. Okay, at last I will explain you. Yes, this z by 2, this also z by 2. (180) minus angle z by 2. Okay, these both, and this also y. Now I will explain you. See, this is the circle. This is the triangle. Over here. Okay. Now the figure is very bad, don't mind it. This is z. No, this is y. Okay, and this is the center angle is z. So yes, this is z. We know the upper angle subtended by an arc in the center is double the angle by the same arc in any other part of the circle. For example, this is at the center and this is z. So the angle touching this part will be half of this angle z. So we can write this z by 2. This also z by 2. Okay, z by 2, z by 2. This is y, this will also be y. So this plus this equal to 180. This is z by 2, so this will be 180 minus z by 2. Okay, 180 minus z by 2. This also and this also. This is x. So now we have to prove x plus y equal to z. erase it. Why not getting it? Here. Now, see how we will do. In triangle, in, yes, B, what? Yes, angle BDC, angle BDC equal to Z by 2. Here you will write the reason. Angle subtended by arc in the center is double the angle by the same arc in any other part of the circle. And angle BDC equal to BEC equal to Z by 2. Z by 2. Why Z by 2? You know na, this angle Z and this angle and this angle will be same because angle in same segment. Okay. Now this is Z by 2. So this will be 180 minus Z by 2. You will write angle what? Angle CDA BEA. Angle CDA equal to angle BEA equal to 180 minus Z by 2. Okay, 180 minus Z by 2. Now we will do, this is Y, this is X, this is 180 minus Z by 2 and this also. ADPE. Now we will write in, wait, this pen is not nice. In quadrilateral ADPE ADPE, this angle this plus this plus this plus this equal to 180 degree, 360 degree, sorry. So angle A plus angle D plus angle P plus angle E equal to 360 degree. So angle A we know X, D is 180 minus Z by 2. Wait. Yes. X plus 180 minus Z by 2 plus we know P, Y plus 180 minus Z by 2 equal to 360. Beautiful cutting. So X plus Y plus Z, wait, X plus Y equal to Z by 2 plus Z upon 2. Okay, Z by 2 plus Z by 2, 2 common, 2Z upon 2. So it will be X plus Y, half plus half equal to 1. So X plus Y equal to Z. Hence proved. Hence proved. This was given to prove and we have proved it. So friends, in next video we will again do this type of question. Happy New Year. Bye bye. See you in next class.